No free promos, but bro scat hard. Y'all know where I'm at. Alright, I think he got it, y'all. I don't think he being big embarrassing no more. There you go. Oh, look at you. Gotta make sure you don't plug them the lights, sir. Yes, sir.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh shit, y'all see the dual turbos in the front?
Boy. Boy.
Bro say he fast. Okay, I see you, coach.
The boy say dual turbos.
So, here we go.
First hand. So what you want to do is, you're going to heat all of it up just like that. Not too hot, just enough to make this the seal kind of loose and gooey. And then you pull it apart. Let's see.
Y'all can see he's still going at it.
And it's a process, man. You gotta clean up, you gotta mold, remold, clean up.
So y'all see he know what he doing, so come shop. Come get your Mars done. DRLs, halos, all that, right?
Yep, everything.
Let 'em know.
Underglows,
Let them know.
interior lights. I'm about to do the Rolls Royce lights soon in my car. I'll see how that's gonna be.
Oh, y'all hear him, bro. Y'all hear him. Shop with Sin Life Customs on Instagram. It's SinLife_customs. I think. Yep, there you go. Shop with him. Shop with him.
Might have to open this up.
Well, whole video of opening up the headlights, putting in a new DRL, I think that's what it's called.
Yeah.
And then putting the bitch back. And making sure you're doing it right. If you don't do it right, that nigga shit gonna look fucked up.
Always do it right. It's just time consuming. Yep, I'm gonna have to open it.
So now, putting on the halos for the fog lights.
Yes, sir. So what I do, and most do, they take this little small wire here and cut it. Just like so. But being that I have already done these halos before, I already have some pre-drilled holes to hold the halo ring in place. So I don't have to do all that extra work. But make this hole as small as you can get it, but small enough to not be noticeable, in other words. Let's put it this way.
So you tying that to the thing? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna cut it.
Okay. Don't mind that.
You don't need it.
We just gonna unclip it. You know, y'all ain't see that.
Yeah, you didn't see that. Matter of fact, let's take this out. So what I did was I have 2 pre-drilled holes. You still recording?
Yeah. Do you not want me to record this part?
No. Take the red tape off before, or you can leave it on and take it off afterwards. I usually take it off afterwards because you're able to make sure it's in place.
So his fogs will still be functional.
Yeah, everything's still functional. All you're doing is just adding color, make it look pretty. Okay, you good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have his halo and his DRL and fog light on this side, all on one Bluetooth box. And then on this side, it's gonna be on a different one. So he'll be able to do, like, let's just say red, blue on this side, or red on this side and blue on this side.
Mm-hmm.
So he'll be able to control 2 different DRLs and halos.
Tell it, man. Smart man. Get that Sin Life Customs on Instagram. It's gonna pop up right there on the screen, like big right there on the screen. Ooh. Y'all gonna see it.
Which one we do? Oh. But as y'all can see, one red, one green. This is what I was meaning about 2 different Bluetooth boxes. One side red, one side green. You can have them both the same color if you want to. You can have 3 different patterns, 200 different patterns. It don't matter. It's done. But yeah, y'all. So this is Exclusive TV. And this is your man. He out.
Oh, come on.
Too, man. Free clout. Yeah, I gotta get it in.
SinKayNation. You gotta subscribe.
Get that too. And make sure you go to my Instagram at scatdevil_392.
Yeah, it's gonna be all down there in the description. Just be there.
Yep. All better be there.
We out.